Flavorful curry leaf porridge. A delightful twist to your morning routine. Welcome back to our multi-recipe and cookery channel, where we explore unique and delicious recipes to elevate your culinary adventures. Today, we have an exciting recipe that will add a burst of flavor to your morning routine. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with our curry leaf porridge. But before we dive into the recipe, let's take a quick look at the ingredients you'll need. Ingredients: 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water, 10 to 12 fresh curry leaves, 1 tablespoon of ghee, clarified butter, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1-inch piece of ginger, grated, 2 cups of milk, 4 to 5 tablespoons of jaggery, or sweetener of your choice, a pinch of salt, sliced almonds and pistachios for garnish, optional. Now that we have our ingredients ready, let's get started with the recipe. Step 1. Rice preparation. Rinse the rice thoroughly under cold water. In a medium-sized pot, add the rice and water. Bring it to a boil over medium heat and let it cook until the rice is soft and fully cooked. Step 2. Tempering. In a separate pan, heat the ghee over medium heat. Add the cumin seeds and allow them to sizzle for a few seconds. Next, add the black pepper, grated ginger, and fresh curry leaves. Stir the mixture gently, releasing the aroma and flavors of the spices. Step 3. Combining the flavors. Transfer the cooked rice to the pan with the tempered spices. Mix well, ensuring the rice is coated evenly. Reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for a few minutes, allowing the flavors to meld together. Step 4. Adding the sweetness. Now, pour in the milk, followed by the jaggery, or sweetener of your choice, into the pan. Stir gently until the jaggery dissolves completely. The aroma of curry leaves combined with the sweetness will create a unique and delightful experience for your taste buds. Step 5. Finishing touches. Add a pinch of salt to balance the flavors. Let the porridge simmer for an additional 5 minutes, ensuring the desired consistency is achieved. If the porridge appears too thick, you can add more milk to adjust it according to your preference. Step 6. Serving and garnishing. Once the porridge reaches the desired consistency, remove it from the heat. Pour it into individual serving bowls. For an extra touch of elegance, garnish with sliced almonds and pistachios. This not only adds a lovely crunch but also enhances the visual appeal of the dish. And there you have it, a flavorsome and unique twist to your morning routine, curry leaf porridge. This dish combines the health benefits of curry leaves with the comforting goodness of rice and aromatic spices. It's a delightful way to start your day. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to our multi-recipe and cookery channel for more innovative recipes and culinary inspiration. Until next time, happy cooking! Preparing method and ingredients are in description box.